guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with Mccaylah again, and I'm gonna post the Christmas video on spring break, most likely, who knows, but we're in Obby. We're in Escape the Adopt Me Cat Parkour. Wait, 1 sec. Okay.
It's called Escape the Adopt Me Cat Parkour.
Yeah, so we're gonna try to do this.
Yeah. I don't know if y'all know, but I'm not too good at obbies. I like doing them. They're fun. And Vivian is very good at obbies.
It's because it's your tower effect. It's kind of, you have to be good at obbies to get past that one.
But obbies are very fun, and you get better if you do it a lot. So
we kind of do obbies all the time.
I'm just walking on them.
Wait,
I
what?
was walking on them. I walked on the other ones.
That isn't fair.
While you're over there jumping. Oh, I almost fell on that.
Oh, I was like, last time I checked, there were only 3 people in the server. Or right before I
Yeah, now there's more.
Yeah, there's like 6, including us. Not including us, there's more.
I go slow on these because I usually fall. Hey, wait. Remember, these are my weakness right here.
Yeah.
Literally. Oh no, I just fell. These
are
are literally my weakness.
Wait, hold on. I'll do the 1 jump with you again. 1 jump.
1 jump.
I died!
How do I fall right here?
1 jump.
1 jump.
1 jump.
1 jump. 1 jump. 1 jump. 1 jump. 1 jump. 1 jump. 1 jump. 1 jump.
No!
Oh, did you fall?
Yeah, I'm coming in though. I'm coming.
Just know I'm not going to walk over there because I know I'm just going to die again.
I know. And that's okay. Because, I don't know. How? I feel like I already touched it a few times. This is a mean.
Well, at least you're getting lucky. Oh, no. I just fell.
Oh, wait. Is this? It's do yellow. Oh, wait, what? Oh, you have to do green.
I just jumped on. I don't know. I'm just like, I just have no clue what's going on, and I'm over there jumping on. Oh, I wanted to try to see if I could walk on them. Not. You can't walk on them.
Sadly. How much is there? Why is there a little boss?
Oh, you can't jump on the boxes.
Bro, my game is lagging. My game is lagging. How is this fair? It's like it's my pet peeve in Roblox whenever like you're in the middle of an obby, or like whenever I'm in tower pack and you're doing.
No, I'm walking on them. You don't have to jump.
Well, this is not fair. Anyways, it's like my pet peeve whenever I'm in tower pack and I like my game is glitching or not glitching, but like it's lagging so bad that my screen freezes and then I fall in the middle of jumping and that's not even my fault.
I'm just walking on these.
Why? You're the one who figures them out. Oh, you can't walk on those. Don't try walking on those. I can't even jump on them very good.
Oh my god. 1 jump.
I'm gonna make this fair and not use shift ball. Wait, are you using shift ball?
No.
Okay, then I'm not going to.
Shift and caps lock?
No, just shift.
Why do you use it?
Because whenever you like turn your screen, you just have to turn your mouse button on.
Oh, that's so much easier!
Are you using it now?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you don't have to like, I don't know, it's just so much easier.
Yeah.
Oh no. Hey, wait for me!
Okay, I'm gonna die. What? You have to like stay on it for a few seconds. So technically, you could touch this if you wanted. Oh, never mind. You can't. Second time I touched it, I died. Never mind.
I've never used shift block on a game before.
It's much easier.
Oh no!
No! This is like
Yeah, right here. Oh my gosh.
This is the saddest thing ever.
I don't like these. But I was like 3 spaces away.
I literally like saw you just fall in the sky. I can't get this wall.
Oh my gosh. Ah. When you go, just stay there. You don't have to come from me. Just don't move.
That was like the worst scream. I did it. Okay. Wait, you can fly?
You can fly?
Wait a second. Why is this chat so long?
Oh my gosh.
This chat is the biggest thing ever.
Oh, you have to pay $375.
I can't even get in it because of this chat. Okay, let me put chat away. Oh.
You have to have 375 Robux.
I only have one.
It's always that one.
I used all of my Roblox. Or my Robux, not Roblox. I have
Robux on Horse World on accident.
Yeah. And I regret using it on Adopt Me too. I bought the Millionaire Mansion, and now I'm regretting that because then I'd have 300 something. Seriously, one cycles the chat, someone decides to chat. It's my
Why is that so long?
I know.
Oh yes.
Nice. It really annoys me. Like
I'm literally just walking on them.
I'm like so OCD whenever the chat, like someone chats in here and it's closed, and then the numbers there, I have to open it. Otherwise, I'm just like, ugh. Oh, it's this one. Wait a second. Oh, I was making sure. Wait a second. Wait for me. Wait a second.
I don't know why I'm bringing this up, but I just remembered my sister's doctor appointment. It's happening right now.
Are you home alone?
Mm-hmm. Sometimes I just bring bad, like, I bring random stuff up sometimes at the wrong time. Like right now, we're making a YouTube video and I'm over here talking about my sister's doctor appointment. Hey! Oh darn it! I don't think you're allowed to do that. I just had to do that.
I was just joking. That I kind of forgot to remember whatever that was. What the?
Vivian, wait!
I was just seeing what killed you. We'll do the one jump. One jump? One jump? One jump? So sad.
Sometimes shit doesn't work. One jump. One jump. One jump. One jump. One jump. One jump. One jump.
Yes!
Oh, it's just like, this one's just like that.
That died. That dies. I'm like, what? I just went
Don't you
over
ever
that.
do like an obby or something,
Huh?
and you don't know, like, which way to go. Like, you know which way to go, but you... Oh, that was close. Ah! Oh, darn. And you accidentally go the wrong way because it, like, shows the forward of what you just did and everything. I don't know if that makes any sense.
Bro!
Funny.
Wait a second, you can just... I can just go across all these even if they kill me because I can jump... Is that from the Nutcracker? I don't think it is.
You've been listening to the Nutcracker way too much.
Yeah, I haven't even gotten through the song yet. Not even December. It's like
Is that
3
the
months.
boss baby right there?
I know, that's what I was wondering. Wait a second, you are like way ahead of me, girl. Slow down. I'm like all the way back here on 34 and she's on 36.
Now you're on 35.
Still.
Just be happy you're not on 5.
Why would you be on 36 though? Maybe on 5. Aren't you reading? Okay, yay.
And shift left back on.
I have a time limit of 15.
You said something about the YouTube video?
Yeah, it's been like 11, or it's almost been 12. And wow, it's supposed to be. I have a time limit of 15 minutes. I can't do any more than 15.
Yeah, you. Then we'll do a part 2.
Or true, yeah. It will be like 5 minutes long. Oh,
Yeah.
well. Or if we do finish really quickly, then we can probably do another obby.
Yeah.
Or just play a different game that's not an obby. Oh wait, I'm not.
Is this your first time posting about an hobby?
Yeah, actually, I've only posted about Bloxburg and Brookhaven.
Ooh. Your first time, girl?
This is
Girl, you're taking too long.
me.
Really. You know why? Because I'm walking. I was walking on it. You need to start trusting yourself and walking intelligence.
Well, I just tried to right here, and does it work? No.
I might try to do it then.
If it does, I'm gonna hate my
I
life.
hate that shit.
Not my life. I'm gonna hate this game.
Sometimes obbies are not my friends.
Me being like way ahead, not waiting. What the heck? I don't
Yeah,
doubt
walking don't work.
walking works on this though. Way over.
Ah!
Coming back. Yes. You know, I could just fall on the sky and burn here. I mean, you know. Now this you can just walk across. There's like, it doesn't kill you. Oh my god, we're almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it right here, guys. Stay tuned for part 2.